Hey, what's up guys? So today we are here in a very exclusive single-story community here in the southwest side of Las Vegas. Now the best part about this community, there is no HOAs. All the homes here do include solar. And in this video, we are going to be looking at a quick move-in home. This is the Allegro floor plan, so stay tuned. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, if this is your very first time tuning in, my name is Dale Abella with eXp Realty. I'm a local realtor here in Las Vegas. Now what we do on my channel is we go over all the new build communities here in Las Vegas. So if this is something you're interested in, if you're looking to move to Las Vegas, or if you like looking at new home build tours, do me a favor, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notification button. That way you stay up to date with all the newest communities here in Las Vegas. So welcome to Grand Fair Pointe by Signature Homes. Now this is a very exclusive single-story community here in the southwest side of Las Vegas. There's only 10 lots in this community and half of them have been sold. But just to give you guys an idea of where we're located, we're here in the southwest. Across streets is going to be Jones Serene. So we're about 15 to 20 minutes away from the Las Vegas airport and the Strip. Now this community offers two different floor plans, which I will show you guys. So they offer the Andante and the Allegro. Okay, so the Allegro that has an option to be a next gen suite. Now they did sell most of, half their lots here. Okay, there are two lots remaining, lots 5 and 10, which you could build from lot up. And you have lots 2, 7, 9, which are all quick move-in homes. So that means all the options were selected. Now the prices of these homes are going to range from about like mid 800s to they could go up high as low 900s. Okay. Really cool thing about this community, guys, there is no HOA association fees in this neighborhood, which is very rare because there's always HOAs in new construction homes, but here there is none. So I know a lot of buyers will really like that. Also, a really cool thing is solar is included. Okay, so I think that's really cool. Today we're going to be touring a couple of the quick move-in homes. So yeah, let's get to the tour. All right, welcome to the Allegro quick move-in. Now this one's just about done. I would say they just need to do some touch-ups, but it is ready to go. Now for this, this is actually going to be lot 7. So Allegro floor plan, the price out the door is $879,058. It's going to be a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath. So let's take a look. So here, just to kind of see where this house is, where the neighborhood is. So these are going to be like the corner lots. And then, so I mean, this is the whole community. But yeah, it's right over here. Okay. Yeah, see, as you can see, they still just need to like touch this up right here. Yeah, this is going to be an 8-foot door. Okay. So welcome in. Nice high ceilings. You got 10-foot ceilings. You got the door to garage right here. You'll have your 2 bedrooms with a full bath. Okay. Coat closet right there. You can have like a flex space, office space right over here. Garage will be to your left. Primary bedroom is going to be the back right. Main living area, kitchen, living room, dining room is going to be all the way to the back left. Okay. So yeah, let's take a look. As far as the flooring that they chose for this move-in home, it's a lighter color. It's like white, light gray, white. Okay. Here, let me turn on the light so you guys could get a better glance at this paint here. Okay, so this is going to be bedroom number 1, right? So you got the 5-inch baseboards. You could switch that out for a ceiling fan with a light if you'd like. Okay. So this is a walk-in closet. So this guest bedroom does have a walk-in closet. Okay, very nice. So yeah, that's going to be lot 5 over there. So there's only 2 more lots in this community again that you could build from lot up. So you got like lot number 5, which is that is a corner lot, and then lot 10, I believe. Okay, so here's the other guest bedroom. Okay, and you do have like this little outdoor inside courtyard right over there. Okay, so yeah, take a look. This is a pretty massive walk-in closet for a guest bedroom. Look at that. Okay, so this is going to have a lot of natural light coming in, except for those windows right there. If you wanted to build from lot up, like if you wanted to, if you did lot 5 or lot 10, you could actually do some different structural upgrades here. Like you could have so this is going to be the model. You could have a next gen suite or multi-gen suite. Okay, so you got the dual sinks, quartz countertop. Looks like we got the gray cabinets here. Okay, soft close. Again, the windows that they have here, very cool. See, look at really nice mirrors. Medicine cabinet as well. Okay, so you got your toilet and your shower. All right, so right here we're gonna have your linen closet. Okay, you got your 2-panel door. Here we'll have your 2-car garage, tankless water heater, water softener loop. Okay. So very nice. Again, with this space, this is just like a flex space. You could make this your office, your playpen, put a little workout area right here. Okay, nice. So this does have the slider to your side yard, which you could access like the backyard as well. Here, and we'll check this out. There's going to be another bedroom right here, but this is going to be like the main living area. So very spacious. You have your kitchen, so you got plenty of cabinets right here. Nice large stackable slider. But yeah, right here you're gonna have your guest bedroom. Now this guest bedroom has its own full bath. Also has nice walk-in closet as well. Okay. So these cabinets, it's like a gray, but like brownish. It's nice. It's definitely really nice. Okay, shower tub combo. Let's see here. Okay, this will be where your laundry room is. Attic access right up there. I think I showed you this. So this is going to be your powder room. Okay, so this would be your guest bathroom. Right. So you have plenty of lights up above, plenty of cabinets as well. Yeah, so this cabinet color is really nice. I like it, actually. So this is the backsplash. Okay, so you got really nice quartz as well. Is this soft close? Yeah, soft close cabinets. Okay, so refrigerator, washer, and dryer are not included. But yes, you do have like the Samsung appliances. So you have the microwave, oven, the built-in cooktop. So you got Samsung dishwasher as well. Okay, stainless steel undermount sink. We got the Moen faucet. See this come out right here. Okay. Wow, nice size pantry. Okay, and also has an outlet right in there as well, so that's pretty cool. Not all pantries have outlets in them. Cool, so this is the backyard. So here, take a look. I want to say, if I were to take a guess how deep it is, it's probably from here, I would say it's about like 30 feet deep. Okay, from where that, from when the pavers end, I want to say it's about like, maybe like 20 feet. Okay. But yeah, if you need the exact dimensions, just let me know. I'll definitely get that to you. And then also too, if you're interested in a new build community such as this, and you plan on going, visiting the community for your very first time, do me a huge favor, give me a call, shoot me a text. I'd be glad to go with you on your very first visit. If you already have a realtor though, that's okay. Just make sure your realtor knows that you're interested in new builds. Whatever you do, just don't show up by yourself, because if you show up by yourself, once the builder agents, they have your name, your email, and your phone number, they won't let you have representation down the road. And the problem with that is the builder agents look after the builder's best interests. So you definitely want representation from a realtor, somebody who will look after your best interest, negotiate for you, and fight for you. Okay. This is a massive walk-in closet. Look at that. Okay. Yeah, that's huge. Yeah, this definitely could be another bedroom for sure. Okay. Right, so here, let me turn on all the lights. Okay. So here we have your shower spa. Okay. Nice. Oh wow, you have his and her closets? Dang, like as if that other one wasn't big enough. Look at that. So yes, if closet space is important to you, this has plenty of closet space. Okay. See, it looks like we got the white quartz on there. Cool, you got your toilet room. All right. Cool, you guys. So yeah, let me know what you think about this floor plan. Again, this is move-in ready. Also, if you're curious to know what the incentives are, shoot me a text, give me a call. Again, this is lot 7. But until then, I will catch you guys next video.